seen you in certain films where you've just given a small appearance, and it's really helped. You're also known as Lucky Mascot. But even you still look
Well,
so.
I have to only say that I think I really work hard for all my films, whether I do a cameo or whether I do one dance number. And doing a dance number is the most difficult thing for me. So I wouldn't like to call myself lucky, though people call me lucky. I am very hardworking, in fact. I don't know why I'm considered the lucky tag, but it's not. I definitely believe when you're working in an industry like this, talent definitely is 80%, but 20% is luck. So I don't mind being lucky also.
Coming to Mere Yaar Ki Shadi,
Yeah.
tell us how the whole experience was.
Well, Mere Yaar Ki Shadi was a very sweet film, and I liked the director Sanjay Garvi a lot. And Adi had given me a narration of a very small role, and it's a very different kind of a role that I was doing because she was lively and bubbly. I had never done a role like that, and it's closer to what I am all about in real life. So I liked it. I did it, and the audience response that I got was very good, very positive from Mere Yaar Ki Shadi. So it was nice. It was not bad at all.
What kind of roles you really look for? Anything in particular?
Yes, I like to do roles where I'm like me as a person is far away from the role that I'm portraying. Then that's like more of a challenge for me. So I like a little bit of maddish roles, little negative roles, or little crazy roles, or I don't know. It has to be different from what I am all about, basically. But the screenplay is the most important for me, and then comes my character, whatever film I'm doing.
As you said, you like to do, a lot of roles, different kind of roles. Do you think anything in particular what you think you're best at?
I think I'm good at emotional roles. I guess because I'm a very emotional person, it comes easy to me. So that's like an easy way out. But I like to do different kinds of things. But I'm good at emotional roles. I would feel so.
Previously being in modeling, then coming into films. So was it always there in your mind that okay, one day films is going to be?
No, never. It was really never on my mind because I used to think that I will never be able to act. When I was given Ajnabi to do, I was really nervous at that point of time because every day they would give me dialogues and I used to get like really paranoid with the so many lines and all, and I used to get them a day before and I used to mug them up and try and say them in different ways. But it was quite an experience. I never thought of becoming an actress. But I guess when you are into the industry and the interest is formed, then it becomes a piece of cake, I guess.
Coming to Bihar, so what did you, what made you really strike that you want?
Guna, again, I played a cop, and she was a very, not a very refined or sophisticated kind of character. She was a vulnerable girl, though she had this, she's a cop, and she was hard at one hand, and she had this vulnerability because of her past. It was an interesting character. I like the idea of playing a cop. I like the character very much.
In terms of story, you think you call it a romantic violence. I don't know what exactly.
Guna would be for me, if I look at it, it was about a girl with principles. She gives up her love for her principles, for her duties in life. So it was a kind of sacrifice she made. All her life she wanted to be loved, but when she got love, she had to sacrifice that. So it's quite an interesting. I like Guna, though it didn't do well. I never regretted the film. No.
You've done Raj also with and then again.
Yes.
So how was the whole experience with Dino?
Well, Dino's a very easy guy to work with, and he's a lot of fun. We have a good chemistry on screen, and we also have a very good working rapport. So I guess that's why we do films together. I'm doing another film with him for Padmalaya called Khushbu. It's almost over, so 3 films with Dino. It's been a good, like Raz did very well. Guna didn't do well. I'm hoping Khushbu does well.
In Guna you did a cop and I guess you played a cop in other films. So what really made you, if you ask what do you think was the USP of Guna, so what did you think before
USP of Guna would be the one line that the woman is sacrifices her work, sacrifices her love for the love of her duty. It is like being a police officer basically. Like what we do is like we try to get that big problem of being cops who are supposed to be the protectors of our society. They don't do their job properly. There is a lot of corruption in like people who are supposed to be our safeguard our interests. So basically trying out that part, being more true to your job.
coming to Jism,
Yeah.
what's Jism all about?
Well, Jism, I feel is a love story in one word, and it is a mature love story. It's all about two people falling in love, but they are attracted in the beginning. They get to know each other, and then they fall in love. It's about this guy who's a Casanova who falls in love for the first time, and he falls in love so much that he's about to do anything to get his love. And the girl that I'm playing is a woman who's very aware of what she's all about. She knows that she is extremely attractive, not just by the way she looks, the way her personality is. And she is not ashamed of knowing that or showing that she knows it. And how she gets everything that she wants in life by using that. And I will say that she does not think that she's bad or she's a negative character or anything, because that's the way she is. So there's nothing like positive, negative. It's all about playing a character in this film. And she just gets what she wants.
The music of Jism.
Well, the music of Jism is one of my favorite musics till now after Raz, because it is very soulful, and it goes with the soul of the film. It's got beautiful lyrics. The lyrics are fantastic. You can listen to them all the time and never get tired of Jism's music.
Working with John.
Well, John is a very, he's going to be one of the best actors in our country today, that I can say, because I was shocked. On the sets of Aitbar, I met him, and only in one day I knew that he has it in him. And he's a very emotional, it shows, all his emotions show on screen. And he's done an extremely amazing job in Jism, and he does not look like a newcomer from any angle.
In Aitbar, you also working with Amitabh Bachchan.
Yes.
So how's the experience?
Well, we are going to start shooting with Mr. Bachchan in Aitbar very soon, and I'm all, as I always feel, like it's like the first day of school when you're working with a new co-star, and it could be anybody. But working with a legendary Bachchan, I guess I have a big knot in my stomach. But he's a very easy guy, so I guess it'll be okay. It won't be that bad.
With the Fight Camp, you've done a couple of films.
Yes.
How did you really think? And like always.
Well, the sensibility of the Bhatts match with the sensibility of the Basu lady, I guess. I understand the kind of filmmaking they believe in, and I guess the same works with them. They understand that I grasp their kind of filmmaking well, so that's why the long association, and I don't have a problem with that. I really would like to work with them more.
Coming to how comfortable are you with dancing? With dancing.
I am comfortable. I love to dance. That's my biggest passion, in the sense, even if I'm working till late, I go and dance in a disco till now. So I love dancing, but film dancing is kind of strange. So I'm still getting to learn it, but definitely I do a lot of dance numbers, and they're quite interesting and quite funny too. And I'm getting to know it and getting to enjoy it.
Since the time you entered the industry, you've done quite a few films and you're
Yeah.
working on a few also.
Yeah.
So is there anything, any kind of film which you've not done and you're looking forward to doing some particular kind?
I would like to do a film more rural based, because people think I will not be able to play a girl from the village. I would like to do a rural film. I'm hoping that I soon do one.
People in the industry, like everyone who sees the film, it's like Bashir Basu is known as a hot property. So how do you take that? How do you feel about it?
Well, I don't know. It makes me feel quite strange at times, but I feel any kind of compliment is good, as long, I always try to take the best of what people say. When they say negative, you just block your ears and not, react to it. And it always helps you. It boosts your confidence, no matter what compliment you get. But at times, when it's repeated quite often, it makes you a little, makes you a little shy. I'm not good at taking compliments, so it makes me feel a little funny at times.
In between, I guess you've fallen sick also when you had a problem.
Yes, I was very sick, yeah.
So how did you really manage?
Well, I didn't have a slip disc for the last time I'm saying it. I had an infection which was leading to a backache. For 40 days, I shot Jism with a backache. Throughout the film, I had the worst backache that anyone can have. And after that, I got very high fever, and I was hospitalized, trying to know what had happened to me. And that's when we knew it was a small infection which had spread close to my kidneys. And that's why I was having a backache. But I don't wish that should happen to anybody, not even in my worst enemies. It was it really put me down for 2 months. And now that's why the work pressure has built up on me, So I'm working hard again.
You know, in terms of, you said, Meri Aar Ki Shaadi, you were trying to very closely yourself.
Yes.
So, was it exactly the way you are, or is Vibhasha was something else?
I guess the character Riya that I played in Mere Yaar Ki Shaadi is quite like me because she's bubbly in the sense she's a very good friend, and I think I am a very good friend to those I'm friendly with, and I would do anything for a friend, and I would do anything for the happiness of my friends. So I guess in that way I did match up to, and the chemistry of Uday and me also worked very well because Uday is a great guy, and I'm good, and I'm very quite close to him now. He's a good friend of mine.
Anyone, you know, be it a director, an actor, anyone that you're still looking forward to working with?
There are so many countless talented people in our. It's nice smoke effect. It's coming now. Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, as I said, there are so many talented people in our industry. I don't know who to name, but I do like the style of working of Ram Gopal Verma quite a bit, and there are so many actors. One actor I would love to work with is Amir Khan. He's my favorite actor, and as an actress, I would like to work with Tabu.
Being in the industry for so far, how is the whole experience?
It's a fun place. It's like the way you have your 9 to 5 jobs. Here we have 9 to 9 jobs. We come, meet people, different kinds of people, do your work, mind your business, enjoy at times, share a few jokes with your co-stars and directors and unit. It's a fun place. It's not so bad as it looks like. As you know, I used to think before reading about the film industry that there is so many things happening. There's politics, there's casting couch, there's this, there's that. I guess I've been lucky. I have not gone through any of it, and it's I've had a great time till now, and I hope to have a good time. The next few years I'm here. I hope I have a good time.
You know, in terms of every film, the film either has to taste success or failure.
Yes.
How do you take it when it comes to your own?
I don't expect anything out of any film that I do. I don't expect it to be a hit or a flop, both ways. I don't expect anything. I just work hard and I see the film at the end of it, and because I believe in it, I like it. I don't have regrets even if it flops. I'm doing films for myself. Let me be very straight. Definitely there are my fans who like me, and I would love them to like whatever I'm doing because I'm not here to be a typical kind of actress or do things which I'm supposed to do, an actress is supposed to do. I will definitely experiment with everything. So I basically do it for myself. I'm a little greedy.